Hello guys, and how is everything? So today we're going to talk about spelling, and in this lesson guys we're going to continue what we've mentioned in the last lesson or in the decoding lesson, which is word parts. So it's going to be about word parts. So a quick review guys, that when we want to decode a word that has affixes, which are prefixes and suffixes, we eliminate them, we put them in their own syllables, and then we're going to have a base word or a word root. So here in this lesson guys, we're going to talk about this specifically, which is about a word root and base word. So first of all guys, the word root, it's not even a word and it can't stand alone. So it's not a word and it can't stand alone. Okay, so while the base word is a word and it can stand alone. Okay, so guys, here let's say like I'm going to draw like a table for you guys, so you can like understand the idea more and more. So let's do like this. These word parts and we can be spelled so here guys, if I have a prefix, so these word parts, which is like a prefix, so if I have a prefix, like for example on, okay, so can be spelled on as in unhappiness, unhappiness, sorry, because it's only one word, unhappiness. Okay, if I have a word root, for example, let's take this, then as in convention. So here guys, this is common beginning syllable. So kin, remember the kin and kim, and tion, which is shen. So I'm going to have a word root here, which is ven. So ven guys, it's not even a word, so and it can't stand alone. So that's why it's a word root. While if I have a base word, like the word fresh, okay, so fresh as in refreshment. So we all know this as a prefix, re, then the ment to form a noun, which is common ending syllable. So I have here a base word which is fresh. So that's why it's a word, it's a base word, because it can stand alone. It is a word, fresh, okay? And at the end, guys, we're going to have, so we're going to have a suffix. Okay, sorry, excuse me. So here, guys, in suffix, let's say, for example, we're going to have ly, okay, as in perfectly. Perfectly. So perfectly, the ly is a prefix. So this is the idea of the spelling of word part. Eliminate the affixes, which are prefixes and suffixes. Then you're going to have one of these, either a word root or a base word. A root word is not even a word and it can't stand alone, and the base word is a word that can stand alone and we can use it in any other context. So this is our lesson for today, guys. I hope you understood everything. If you have any question, just you can contact me or Ms. Ragad to ask us about any question. And thanks for lending your ear, and hope to see you again.